Hello, hello! I'm back! It's me, Kat, and welcome back. And I welcome back myself to my channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how I clean my eyebrows. So these are the materials that we'll be needing in this video. I'll use the brow pencil to make an outline on my eyebrows to shape it according to my preferences. I'll be brushing up my eyebrows every now and then to see which ones to trim. After brushing up our eyebrows, we can now use a pair of scissors to trim off and even out our eyebrows. So after I trim my brows, I continue shaping it according to my preference. Yung outline na ginagawa ko would serve for me as a guide kung saan ako magpa-pluck ng brows and where to shave. Hi! After that, since I'm happy of my outline, I'll start shaving below those lines. Then after shaving, to have a cleaner look, I'll be using the puller. So I'll be doing the same thing on the other side. And this is my finished look. So that's it, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and continue to support this mom here. Bye and thank you.